Hi, grade 6. This is your math lesson 4, page number 59, numbers 3 through 10, all. Yay, word problems. Okay, first word problem is talking about the climate in Memphis. And the graph is showing high temperatures and low temperatures for different months. Look at the graph carefully as I describe it to you. On the far left, you've got a blue and a red dot above the word Jan, as in January. The blue dot is across from 30 degrees, and the red dot's across from about 48 degrees. They're trying to tell you the average high and low temperatures in Memphis, Tennessee for January. 48 is the average high, and 30 is the low. Then when you go to February, it's about 52 for the high, and maybe 32 for the low. And in March, the high is about 62 or 63, and the low is about 42 maybe, right? And what they want you to do is they want you to predict what's going to happen in July, because if you notice, if you look at July and go straight up, there are no dots there. But they want you to predict where the dots will be for July. Let's do the same thing on the graph that's behind me. I have a graph here that's showing the amount of money in somebody's bank account. So in January, the person had $10. See that? January, $10. In February, they had about $15. See that? Between 10 and 20. In March, they had about $20. March. In April, they had about $30. If that's the case, how much do you think they're going to have in May? Well, if it were me, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking there's kind of a pattern going on here. Let's continue the pattern. My prediction is the next dot's going to be about here. If I go up and then straight across as best as I can, what number is that? I'd say that's about between 30 and 40. I'd say that's about 35. I think the person's going to have $35 in May. That's the same thing they want you to do here. Okay? Okay, and that's problems 3 and 4. For 3, they're looking for the prediction on high temperatures, and 4, the low temperatures. Let's look at number 5 now. Maya read 10 pages of a 150-page book on Monday and plans to read twice as many pages each day than she did the previous day. On what day is she going to finish the book? To me, this is a classic case of a problem that can be solved with a table. Okay? And what do we mean by that? Well, we know the book is 150 pages long, right? And we know on Monday she's going to read 10 pages, right? And then it says she's going to read twice as many pages on each day after that. So that means on Tuesday she's going to plan on reading 20, and on Wednesday she's going to plan on reading 40, and so on. The question is, when will she be done with this book? Obviously, I went too far here. But the question is, what day of the week will she be done? Somebody might be tempted in saying that the answer is Friday, because Friday's 160 and the book is 150. But keep in mind that this is cumulative. This is adding together. So at the end of day 1, this person has finished 10 pages. But at the end of day 2, this person hasn't finished 10 pages or 20 pages. They are actually done with 30 pages, right? Because they read these 10 first of all, then they read these 20, and together that makes 30. How many pages have they read after Wednesday is over? They read the 30 pages on Tuesday and Monday, plus the 40 pages on Wednesday. So you tell me. So I will tell you the answer is not Friday. The answer is not Friday. On what page did they finish a total of 150 pages? Okay, let's look at number 6. Number 6 says the graph shows the number of energy bars sold in a school cafeteria during 1 week. Look carefully. Do you see that bottom right part of the rectangle? Says 1 bar is really 6 bars? Okay. So if 1 bar on the graph is really 6 bars, the graph is showing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Look at Monday, M, Tuesday, T, W is Wednesday, TH is Thursday, and F is Friday. Did the cafeteria sell more bars on Monday or Tuesday? Well, you just got to look and see which one has the most bars, right? Number 7, a sign reads, do not exceed 2,500 pounds on an elevator. If that's true, how many people weighing about 150 pounds can be in the elevator at the same time? How many people can be in there? You can't go bigger than 2,500. And each person's going to weigh 150 pounds. How do we figure that out? Well, there's a couple ways of doing it. But here's one way. If you only put one person on the elevator, that'd be 150 pounds, right? What if you put 2 people on the elevator? That'd be 2 groups of 150. That'd be 300, right? What if I put 3 people on the elevator? That'd be 450 because I'm adding 150 plus 150 plus 150, or I'm multiplying 3 times 150 to get to 450. If I put 4 people on there, that's 600. Couldn't I just keep this going until I got as close as possible to 2,500 without going over? Yeah, I could. How much would 5 people be? That would be 750. I'm just adding 150 each time. 6 people would be 900, right? Adding another 150. 7 people would be 1,050. We're getting there, but we got some work to do. Another way to do this would be to do some long division, right? What if you took the 2,500 pounds you're allowed to put on the elevator and divided it by 150? Yeah, that'd be another way to solve this. That would tell you how many people could fit on the elevator. You can do either method. Look at number 8. Find 2 numbers whose sum is 56 and whose product is 783. Huh? Whose sum is 56 and whose product is 83. This, folks, is what they're talking about. I got an unknown number that I add to another unknown number, and they equal 56. And that same set of 2 numbers, when I multiply them, I get 83. Nope, that's wrong. Not 83. 783, excuse me. So what we might have to do is just kind of guess and check. 2 numbers that add up to equal 56. And those same 2 numbers, when we multiply them, gets into 783. I will give you a clue on this one. The 2 numbers you're looking for are both somewhere between 20 and 30. Both of them are. So for example, the 2 numbers might be 23 and 25, or the 2 numbers might be 24 and 28. They're not smaller than 20 and they're not bigger than 30. I'll give you that clue. Okay, your assignment is numbers 3 through 10. 3 through 10. Hopefully I gave you help with at least the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. If you get stuck on 9 and 10, just talk to me, please. Thank you.